Hello and welcome to this Volkswagen car sale video on this 2019 69 reg 2020 model year Golf GTI TCR 5-door. It's in Tornado Red. It's had 3 owners from new. First was for 9 months, possibly dealer because the spec's quite high, and then second owner for 2 years and last owner for just over 4 years. He bought it from a very reputable specialist, probably a better place to buy from than a main dealer, and offered it to me directly because he's a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Thank you, Angus. It's done 41,000 miles. It's got a full main dealer service history. It comes with, I think, pretty much all the receipts, and it's in really tidy condition. So there's really nothing to report externally. There's a few chips which have been touched in by the previous owner really well. The wheels have been refurbished by the previous owner in the past. The brake discs and pads all around have recently been replaced at a cost of 1,200 quid purely for the genuine parts. So the owner fitted them himself. It's not that difficult. So no worries there. Tyres are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S all round, which are better than the Pirellis the cars came on. They are about 6mm on the front, about 4mm on the back, probably 6.5, 4.5, but let's say 4 and 6, so lots of life left. And it's completely unmodified. It's got my number plates on it because the specialist number plates were on it before, and well, personally, I don't want to promote under somebody else's company. So yeah, it's as simple as that really, nothing to report. I'm pretty sure the paint's all original, but it's hard to be too sure. But rest assured, there's nothing funny on the paint anywhere. If anything, it's too good. But yeah, I am happy. It's a very genuine car. No dents in it. It's got the TCR stickers where they should be. The cat likes it, don't you? Yes. Akrapovic exhaust being a 2020 model year car. Importantly, there's no luxury car tax to pay on this car because this car would have gone over 40k when it was new. The thing that frustrated me at the time was that Volkswagen gave you the Akrapovic, charged you an extra 3 grand for it, and then if you spec the performance pack, which you really should have spec'd, the car went over 40k. Well, this stopped paying luxury car tax a year ago, so it's just like £17 a month now. So spec, performance pack with the Reifnitz wheels, which originally gave you Pirelli P0s, instead of the semi-slips you'd get on the Pretorias. Dynamic chassis control as part of the performance pack. You couldn't have 19s from the factory without it, but you could have had 18s, the standard 18s with DCC as a standalone option. Obviously you need to be quite careful that the car has got DCC because it could be replica wheels, so the car could look like this, but it wouldn't have DCC necessarily anyway. But this is the original spec of this car, so really desirable performance pack. Hasn't got the black roof, but it does have leather, which is quite unusual because the TCR had its own unique trim, but it's not the nicest trim, I suppose. And this is quite nice because it's got the red piping, it's got red in the perforations, it's got electric memory on the driver's seat, believe it or not. We have also got Dynaudio as well, and being a 2020 model year car, it's keyless and it has rear view camera. So yeah, condition's great, history's great, spec's great. Let's have a look at the seat bolster anyway. So it's done 41k, you can see on there, 41025 to be precise. I bought it in Bristol and drove it back the long way, taking the A466 from Chepstow up to Monmouth, really nice road. So there's a little bit of wear on the bolster, not excessive. We have the original mats, which are highly desirable, often go missing. Electric memory there, which I've never seen. I didn't think it was available in the UK. My Hong Kong car came with it. We've got the adaptive cruise control, which of course is standard auto headlights, 7-speed DSG on this car, electric parking brake, standard head unit with Apple CarPlay, heated seats, dual climate control. So yeah, it's a nice spec. In the back, well, no real obvious signs of use, not kicked about too much. Original mats in the back as well. Now we do have a load liner, which is a tradition for most of the cars I sell, which is being cleaned at the moment. Just want to get this done before it gets dark. Dynaudio sub there, space saver spare wheel, which is 60 PSI now. It was on 53, which is better than most. Passenger side rear is good. And then in here, I think this is Dynaudio amp down there. We have the complete book pack, the nav SD card box, and there's a whole pack with the history as well. But it's digital service history, this car, so no service book. Okay, let's pop the bonnets, just have a good look at the front there. Might be the odd chip here and there, but it really is good for the age and mileage. Original Rally Black, they call these matte mirror casings. That's the official colour for them. Okay, so EA888, 290 horsepower, 7-speed DSG down there. Could be the original battery, so keep a lookout for that, see if the car starts playing up. But yeah, it seems to start reliably now. Not sure if it's ever had the water pump thermostat replaced, but it doesn't lose coolant, doesn't smell like it's losing coolant. Bolts are untouched. And there are other clues down here that tell me this is all original. Right, let's start her up. So keyless entry, keyless start, foot on the brake. And there we go, Dynaudio, turn that down. Makes a pretty good noise, but it's a petrol particulate filter car, so it's not particularly raucous. I think you get pops and bangs with TCRs once they're warmed up anyway. Headliner I often forget to show you, but it's all right. Yeah, it's just a reflection on there. Okay, well, thanks for watching this Volkswizard car sales video. If you've got a car to sell like this, any really 7.5 GTI with average mileage or below, full service history, and ideally unmodified, and in really good condition, drop me an email, andrew@volkswizard.co.uk, and also use that email if you need any more information on this car, or if you've got a car to part exchange and you would like a valuation. Now it's your turn to be on camera.